What's up, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and send bulk email. And if you want to go and send the information to a lot of the people from one single click, this video is going to help you out with that. You can go with bulk email from this video from your personal Gmail account, and Google is actually going to help you out to send the email to all of the people which you send the email address to. So this is going to be from your Gmail account. Let's get started and let's see how we can go and do that. So if you have not downloaded my ZealPlex apps, just go to my Google Play account and just go and search ZealPlex, and you can go and download the application of ZealPlex. Whenever the new upload is there, you're going to get in the application right over there in your Android phone. So let's get started with the tutorial. So just go on Gmail. After that, you have to click on compose. Just click on compose. I have already created one template for that because I don't want to type in front of you guys. This is the email which I'm going to go and share. I want to promote like video which I created. It's for a bunch of the YouTubers who are actually there and who want to get promoted. So I'm going to go and help them out. This is going to be the subject. So I'm going to go with like best way to use TubeBuddy, because TubeBuddy is best to upload anything. So after you have created this, all you have to do is close this tab. So it is going to be created as a template in your Gmail account. Just go and close that one, and it is going to go and get a draft email inside your Gmail account. Next thing you have to do is just go on Google and search Google Docs, and you can go with click first link. After that, you're going to go and see next screen you're going to see is the screen. Then you have to click on sheets. It is going to ask complex blah blah blah. So it's basically online Excel sheet from Google itself. So just go and click on Google Sheets. It is going to load for like 1 or 2 minutes, maybe faster than that. After that, click on blank. It is going to go and create like blank sheet. After that, you have to go and click on add-ons. It is going to go and say click on get add-ons. So click on get add-ons. You have to go and type on yet another mail merge. It is going to ask you for free. Just click on yes and click on that. It is after you have clicked on that, it is going to go and comes over here. Click on add-ons, yet another mail merge. This is how it is going to look like. So after that, what you have to do is click on start mail merge. So it is going to go and start the process of mail merging. So it is going to ask you like, do you want your Google contacts to email? So I'm going to say no, I'm not interested, because I'm going to go and provide the email address to this Google Sheet itself. So I have some email address. So I'm just going to go and open up like all the emails. This is a bunch of the YouTubers. So I'm going to go and click on that and paste that one. So you have to go and type each and every one of them. All right. So after you have done that, what you have to do is click on add-ons, start mail merge. So it is going to go and give you details about that. YAMM, yet another mail merge. So just click on start. Okay, it is going to ask you if you want to like personal plan. You can go with $24 per year. You can send like 400 emails. So if someone joins from your link, you are going to get 50 emails per day. So I'm just sending like 50 people per day like today. So I'm just click on continue. It is going to ask send a name. So I'm going to go and type my ZealPlex name. After that, it is going to ask for like email we want to say. What is the subject, which I'm going to go and select that one, and it is saying that you can send it to 47 emails. So that means 47 emails are printed there. So just click on send to 47 emails. So it is going to start the process of sending emails to 47 people. So just one click and I'm getting like 47 people who are going to receive my email from this simple process. Otherwise I have to go to like 47 people and send the email again and again, same email again and again. So yes, this is the simplest way you can go and do the bulk email from your own Gmail address. You can use your personal address. If you have a company email address, you can use that one as well. So remember the name, yet another mail merge. You can go and follow along with the YouTube video and finish the process. If you face any difficulty, make sure to comment it down below and I'll help you out with that. So after it is going to be provided, it is also going to go and give you the report that how you can go and manage that who have actually received the email. So on the right side of that email, you are going to say it like email has been sent and it is also going to give you like email open, like so many people have already opened the email which I just sent people right now. Who actually got the email and how many people actually clicked on my email? I'm gonna go with my email. So this is how I'm going to receive the email. So this is the exact same email which I just showed you in front of you, and there you go, it already showing the email has been sent and email has been opened. It is giving you the checklist, like almost 45 people have already seen the email, how many email have been bounced, how many rebounds. So if bounce is there, some email address is not correct, and go and get time frame that who is actually watching your email and who is actually reading your email. So I'm going to go and get the details about that. So that's about it. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazar and I'm signing out. See you guys next time.